After exploring Orchard's modern streets, Chinatown's heritage, Little India's colors, and the calm of Quayside, today we step into the beauty of Garden by the Bay. In the heart of Singapore stands a place where nature feels larger than life, Garden by the Bay. Imagine walking into a glass forest with mist in the air, flowers from every corner of the world, and futuristic trees touching the sky. From roaring waterfalls to rare blossoms and glowing towers, every step here tells a story of wonder and beauty. Stay with us, because what you're about to see will take you deeper into one of the most magical gardens on Earth. Crossing the ticketing gates, the adventure begins inside the cloud forest, a glass paradise filled with mist and mystery. Always book your Garden by the Bay tickets online. It saves time and also gets you the best deals. Giant dinosaur figures stand tall beside the falls, their movements so real they blur the line between past and present. Weekends can be quite crowded, so plan your visit on weekdays for a calmer and more enjoyable experience. Walking higher along the cloud walk, the view opens to Marina Bay Sands in the distance, blending nature with city magic. Every corner surprises you, from statues frozen in time to bright blossoms adding life to the misty air. Surrounded by endless greenery, it feels like stepping into a living jungle suspended in the sky. Don't forget sunscreen and a small water bottle. The walkways are long, sunny, and you'll need them. Another waterfall appears, crafted with precision yet flowing as if born from the earth itself. Looking down, even the dinosaurs seem alive, watching over the forest from the shadows. With waterfalls above, mist around, and endless green all around me, It feels like stepping into another world, right in the heart of Singapore. The cloud forest is more than an attraction. It's a living museum of nature's power and beauty. Before leaving the cloud forest, a quick stop at the gift shop, where memories turn into keepsakes to carry the magic home. Stepping into the flower dome, the air instantly changes, calm, fresh, and filled with the colors of nature's finest creations. From misty forests to blooming fields, the flower dome greets you with colors that stretch as far as the eye can see. Couples sit quietly among the blossoms, while others capture memories in every corner of the dome. Arrive early in the morning to enjoy the flower dome before it gets busy. The sheer variety of plants here feels like a journey across the world, with every corner revealing something new and beautiful. Families stroll through the pathways, their laughter blending with the soft fragrance of the flowers. A European-style clock stands tall in the garden, adding a touch of old-world charm among the flowers. Tiny cow statues peek from the grass, playful, unexpected, and charming. They add a touch of humor and joy that instantly brings smiles to every visitor passing by. The flower dome is where time slows down, and the world feels both peaceful and alive. Stepping outside, the Supertree Grove rises high into the sky, futuristic giants wrapped in living plants, standing as icons of Singapore's skyline. From the ground, these glowing towers look like nature and technology growing together, blending the organic with the futuristic in perfect harmony. Visitors wander below in awe, surrounded by the sheer size and beauty of these towering structures that feel alive with greenery. Check the official Garden by the Bay site before visiting. Seasonal exhibits and events can make each trip feel unique. Even a simple cafe here feels extraordinary, made special by the towering giants around it and the breathtaking views that stretch in every direction. The view feels unreal, a blend of futuristic towers, endless gardens, and the heartbeat of Singapore all in one frame. From the top, the garden turns into a living canvas, greenery below, the city beyond, and the feeling of standing between earth and sky. Colorful statues shine brightly against the skyline, each one telling a bold and artistic story that adds character and creativity to the garden. From playful patterns to bold designs, these vibrant statues turn the garden into an open-air art gallery. Each colorful bear stands as a symbol of its country, a celebration of culture, unity, and diversity gathered in one place. Crossing the bridge, the Marina Bay Sands rises ahead, a true icon of Singapore's skyline, its towering design standing as a symbol of modern architecture and the city's bold spirit. Stepping into Marina Bay Sands, the city's most iconic landmark, where luxury, design, and skyline views come alive. Moving towards the mall, each step opens into a world of glass, lights, and endless elegance waiting to be explored. Inside, the luxury mall stretches across levels, each floor designed with elegance and detail. Shoppers wander below while the upper floors reveal sweeping views of the entire space. Glass ceilings, shining lights, and endless boutiques create a world of modern luxury. Outside by the pond, water lilies float gracefully, their reflections glowing against the clear blue water. Blue lilies in bloom turn the calm surface into a natural painting. The city skyline stands tall in the distance, modern, proud, and alive, closing the journey with a perfect frame. That was Garden by the Bay, a journey through misty forests, endless flowers, and iconic supertrees that light up the Singapore skyline. Every view here is proof that nature and imagination together can create pure magic. If this adventure inspired you, don't forget to like this video, share it with friends, and subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. Our next video takes you to Singapore's most iconic symbol, the Merlion, where the city's story truly begins.